on one tennis court you can have 4 pickleball courts.
Yeah.
So right away, you have to be a great athlete, and also the geometry is still very much important. But really, the only negative thing I'm hearing about pickleball in reality is the noise,
Yeah,
the
it's
banging,
the
and
noise.
I think it's because people are laughing too loud. That's what I think. You know, they're having fun over there. What's going on?
Yeah.
You know, and there's still some old schoolers out there. That I have some old friends that played on the tour, and that are still hanging in there. Well, I'm not, I'm going to wait for a while, which is okay.